Tutorial how to make slime. First you wanna get your bowl and your mixing tool. Then you put in lotion, shampoo or liquid soap in it, or body wash. And then you would wanna make activator. So you make activator like this. You need salt, you throw salt in, then you throw warm water in, then you shake it, you put it for like probably say 30 seconds or 1 minute in the fridge, in the freezer. Then you put it in any type of bottle, anything. You can put in anything. And you spray it in there. And you mix it. Then you're gonna put it in the freezer for 5 minutes. Or did I say that? After 5 minutes, I rechange the materials. Then you would put more activator in and you mixy. This is how it looks so far. So very hard like that. Not hard. I would say melting. Or you could just use glue and activate the button. I don't have glue, but I might activate it. The sticking away. Okay. She's getting everything together. So this is the finished results. But mine is a bit sticky because I don't have less to mix it all day. My activator is almost up. I'm just gonna add more activator. But so to